everyone, it is Elise Cabaret here from Daughter, helping you write the songs of tomorrow. In this video, I want to tackle one of the most common problems I see songwriters facing, and that is procrastination. Now, a lot of the time we feel like we just don't have enough time to write songs, and that might be true. We live busy lives, but more often than not, we actually are procrastinating our songwriting practice. That means we're finding other things to do instead of songwriting and pretending that they're more important. So in this video, I want to talk to you about what procrastination is, what it looks like, what causes it is very important, and most importantly, what we can do to fix it. So, what is procrastination? You probably know this already. Procrastinating is when we have something that we either need to do or we want to do, but we keep finding excuses not to do it. So, for example, I really want to sit down and do some songwriting, but I suddenly need to do my washing right now. Or I would really like to do some songwriting, but in an hour, I'm going to have to start getting ready to go out. And I don't want to, get really into writing a song if I'm just going to have to stop. So what causes procrastination? Now, there's actually a lot of different causes for procrastination, but more often than not in songwriters, the reason we procrastinate is because we're not enjoying our songwriting practice. We're finding that when we sit down to write a song, we're not coming up with things that we like, and that's making us feel bad. So we don't want to do it. And that makes total sense. Why would you want to do something that makes you feel bad? If this sounds like you, then don't worry, we're going to fix it. And you're also not alone. This is really common. In the arts, a lot of us are massive perfectionists, and that can really take a toll on our self-esteem if we're finding we're not coming up with stuff that we love all the time. Which brings me to the most important part of this video. What do we do about it? If we're finding that we're procrastinating, what can we do to fix it? Well, if the reason we're procrastinating is because we're not enjoying our songwriting practice, we need to figure out a way to make that practice more enjoyable. We want to make it fun and rewarding. That's the way it should be. The best way I know to make songwriting fun again is to set small, specific goals, or milestones if you prefer that word. So what happens is, and this is me, I'm totally guilty of this. I'm speaking from personal experience here. But what I would do is I would sit down to write a song, and I'd have this general vague goal of, I just want to write something good. So, okay, how do I do that? That goal is quite huge and vague, and more often than not results in me not getting there and then me feeling really bad about it. I feel like a bad songwriter, or that I've failed in my songwriting practice today because I didn't end up writing something good. But do you see that this is kind of unfair? When we set a goal that's so big and vague, it's really hard to know how to get there. So what we want to do is set these small specific goals that are really clear on how to get there so that we can have success each time we sit down to write a song, know that we're making progress, and get that little hit of dopamine in our brain to make us feel good about ourselves and our songwriting practice. For example, a small specific goal could be something like, I want to learn about sus chords and how to play sus chords, and maybe write a progression using a sus chord. Cool. That's something that I know exactly how to go about achieving. I can Google or YouTube sus chords, learn about how they're put together, learn some shapes, and then spend some time writing a chord progression that uses these new chords. I can do all of that in probably half an hour. And at the end of the session, I'm going to know that I've made progress in my songwriting. I'm going to feel good about that. Another example could be, I want to learn more about song structure because I know that's a place that I'm getting a bit stuck when I'm writing songs. So really good is to identify problems that you're having, and then you can look at ways to fix them or work on those problems. So if I'm really stuck on structuring songs, I'm going to spend this songwriting session going through 3 songs that I like and writing down their structure. And that's going to help me learn about how to structure a song better. So that's a task. I know exactly what to do. I can go ahead and do it. And at the end of my session, feel really good that I've made progress. Each time you tick off one of these goals, you're going to get that dopamine hit. You're going to feel good about yourself. And that's going to make you want to come back and do it the next day or whenever you plan on doing your next songwriting session, because it makes you feel good. Suddenly, songwriting has become something Instead of being really frustrating and making you feel bad, it's become something that's really rewarding. No more reason to procrastinate. Make sense? If you like this idea and if you're this way inclined, something I found really helpful was to keep a little journal where I could write down at the start of the session what my goal was. So that held me accountable. I had to make sure it was small and specific and that I had to stick to it. And then at the end of the session, I would write down if I achieved that goal, what I'd learned, so I get to feel good about the progress that I've made. And in the last column, I would write down what I would like to do next time, or some ideas that I could do next time. Because as you start learning more, you start to discover more things that you want to learn. So keep a nice list of those handy. So whenever you're wanting to do some songwriting practice, you've got that list ready and you can just choose something that sounds exciting to you that day. Has this been helpful? Learning to practice songs like this was a game changer for me. It made songwriting so much more enjoyable and made me so much more productive. So I hope it does the same for you. If you've enjoyed this video and you want to learn more about how you can make your songwriting sessions more productive and enjoyable, you might be interested in my brand new Song Accelerator mini course. This mini course will teach you how to write a song from start to finish using step-by-step formulas. These powerful formulas are excellent for helping you work through writer's block so you can focus on making more progress, being more productive, and developing your confidence and skills as a songwriter, instead of spending your time feeling frustrated and stuck. If this sounds like something that would benefit your songwriting, there's a link in the description. You can check it out to learn more. Bye.